How stupid. How stupid. How much. How much. What if they refuse? What if they refuse? Have some patience. Have some patience. Who was yelling? Who was yelling? Did anyone hit you? Did anyone hit you? Why not? Why not? No idea. No idea. Heat up the food. Heat up the food. Untie the knot. Untie the knot. Cut down on tea. Cut down on tea. Don't worry. Don't worry. Wake up. Wake up. Tomatoes are very appetizing. Tomatoes are very appetizing. Don't discredit him. Don't discredit him. He looks very tired. He looks very tired. Hurry up. Hurry up. You can count on me. You can count on me. You are stubborn. You are stubborn. How do you feel now? How do you feel now? Have you gone nuts? Have you gone nuts? Why are you worried? Why are you worried? Not you. Not you. You will get wet. You will get wet. You are my namesake. You are my namesake. Sharpen your pencil. Sharpen your pencil. Unclench your fist. Unclench your fist. Tuck your shirt in. Tuck your shirt in. Wring out the towel. Wring out the towel. The milk turned sour. The milk turned sour. The milk has boiled. The milk has boiled. Look what I found. Look what I found. Don't play innocent. Don't play innocent. Draw the curtain. Draw the curtain. Switch off the fan. Switch off the fan. Wring it out fast. Wring it out fast. Get ready. Get ready. Never eat stale food. Never eat stale food. Blow out the matchstick. Blow out the matchstick. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. Go and welcome them. Go and welcome them. Lay the table for dinner. Lay the table for dinner. It's all your fault. It's all your fault. All were drowned. All were drowned. It rained all night long. It rained all night long. She ruined my life. She ruined my life. He is very diligent. He is very diligent. He did it tactfully. He did it tactfully. He is kind. He is kind. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.